everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Kat here. For today's video, I'm going to try and review some Moonshot products that I got from Freyja. So for those who aren't familiar with Moonshot, Moonshot is a cosmetic line by YG Entertainment. So YG Entertainment is currently the biggest talent agency or entertainment agency in South Korea. Freyja or Luxasia, they are a beauty store here in the Philippines that they cater international brands like Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Elizabeth Arden, Real Techniques, Eco Tools, Gerard Cosmetics, and so on. They also cater local brands like Elena Mineral Cosmetics, KK Lashes, and so on. This looks what's inside, and it has two cards. So, itong card nito, I think marireceive nyo siya if you ordered them online and in store. Okay. Also, I have a personal card here. So, these are the products. So, let's start with this Moonshot Multi-Protection UV Fixer. It has SPF 50. So, as you can see, the packaging, para siyang holographic. Para siyang galaxy yung theme nila. Let's open this one. Oh, yung cute! So, it has a little astronaut. Oh, okay. So, it has a pump. Yan. The next product is this Moonshot Micro Setting Fit Cushion. It has SPF 50 and PA. So, I got the shade 201 or Beige. So, this is the packaging looks like. I've never tried any cushion before kahit local brands kasi nga wala silang MORENA shades or dark skin tone na shades. By the way, may sticker siya dito Pinutol ko lang kasi para ma-open ko yung cushion. So, here we have an astronaut again. So cute. So, yan. Cute ng packaging, especially inside. So, this is the cushion. Looks like holographic. Ooh. This looks what's inside. Yan, may mirror siya. And, ewan kong tawag dito, puff ba? So, yan, purple puff. Akala ko nung una sira siya, pero ganyan pala talaga yung shape niya sa taas. Okay, for the last product is this Moonshot Cream Paint Lightfit. This is in the shade M212 or Pale Lips. Open this package. Oh, ang cute ng packaging, oh, bongga. Those are the products, and now I'm going to create a Korean makeup look which I have never done before since feeling ko kasi hindi siya babagay sa face ko and sa features sa mukha ko. But lately, I've been hearing a lot of compliments or saying na hawig ko daw si Rose ng Blackpink, gawa daw ako ng Korean makeup look or Rose transformation. So, hindi ko pa alam at hindi ko, alam ko, parang hindi ko sure kasi kung magkamukha ba talaga kami. And siguro pag may wig na ako or hair color like her, so tignan natin. I've already put some moisturizer on my face and now I'm going to use this multi-protection UV fixer. Just going to put the back of my hand. I think try natin gantong amount. So medyo nag-aalanganin ako sa color niya. So tignan natin. I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay, so ang bango ng amoy niya, guys. Parang floral scent. Okay, I'm not sure if that's enough, pero maglalagay pa ako ng... So, as I blend the product, nagiging sticky yung texture niya. So if you guys ask me for like UV effectiveness ba to or something like that, I think I'm not the best person to ask this kasi since my job is work from home or home base, hindi ako palalabas. Also, pag lalabas ako, may payong akong dala or cap, yung hat. So, yun. Now, time to use this micro setting fit cushion, shade 201 or beige. I'm not sure kung mako-cover up niya yung flaws ko sa face, like under eye circles and pimple marks. So, pag hindi nyo na-cover, might as well put some green corrector. Pero, yun. Testing natin siya as it is. Ito ko sa inyo, and I already removed the plastic to sa mirror. So, yan. Tatry na natin siya. Again. Yan. So, tatanggalin natin yung sticker. Yung puff. And I'm going to press the cushion. Oh! Ang bango ng amoy niya, pero hindi siya matapang. Oh my God! Mukha akong multo, guys. Makikita niyo dito, ito yung bare face ko. This side is with cushion. Expect the unexpected. Maputi siya masyado sa skin ko. Well, anyway, I'm just going to cover up my whole face. Wag muna tayo sa shade or sa color. Dun muna tayo sa finishing niya. So, it claims to be semi-matte. So, first things first, it is semi-matte. So, dewy siya at first. Pero, once na nag-set na siya sa face mo, yan, semi-matte na siya. And I have oily skin and hindi ko pa nakikita nagkikik pa siya sa face ko. So, yes. Ang weird. Naiilang talaga ako sa color niya. Ay, nako. So, let's try to build up dun sa mga flaws ko. So, just going to use yung tip. Tip lang. Let's try to cover up yung pimple mark sa chin ko. Bago ko siya i-blend. Okay. So, nose ko, namumula-mula pa rin siya. Try natin siyang takpan. Okay. Medyo hindi lang niya nako-cover yung nose line ko. Pero blend natin dito. Ewan ko kung makikita nyo, pero yung nose area ko dito, like, ewan ko ba't di niya ma-cover up. Yan. So, na-build up. Okay, so na-build up ko na yung sa nose area ko. So, yan. Kailangan ng 2 layers para ma-cover siya. Okay, so I'm going to do my brows and eyes now. Maya-maya ako na babalikan yung face ko. Titignan ko kung mag-oxidize siya. So, yan. So, sa Korea, they are known for straight brows. Also, yung color ng brows nila is much lighter dun sa hair color nila. For the eyes, I'm going to use this cream paint in the shade N212. Although this is meant for your cheeks and lips, gusto ko siyang i-try sa eyes pen. Para 3 ways, diba? So, may kaamoy siyang Korean food. So, I'm going to put a little bit of cream paint under my eye or my lower lashes. So, this is the finished look. I hope I nailed the Korean makeup look. So, most of the products that I use are matte. So, ang shimmer lang is yung ginamit ko sa my inner corner. Pero half lang. Yan. Tapos, eto na yung cream paint na ginamit ko dito. Also, to give you guys my final verdicts about these products. So, first is the Multi-Protection UV Fixer. Again, if you're going to ask me about UV effectiveness, I'm not the right person kasi nga hindi ako palalabas. This primer has a peachy color, pero luckily hindi siya nagstay, talagang nag-vanish yung color niya, which is great. So, sa formula, it has a creamy texture, pero it's lightweight on the face. So, first time ko gumamit ng creamy base na primer. Usually kasi silicone base ako. Also, once applied, it really dries down quickly, kaya you really have to work with this. Also, yung pag-apply ko dito, akala ko same amount din as I use as a primer or sa ordinary primers ko. Di ganun kasi ako ganun kadami mag-primer. So, same amount din ginamit ko dito. Unfortunately, kailangan ko pa talagang mag-add more ng product para mapuno niya yung buong mukha ko. Okay, so for price, medyo may pagkamahalan siya ng konti for 40 ml na primer. So, this costs around 4,430 pesos. So, kung gusto niyo mag-invest, okay to, especially for oily skin. So, another thing that I love about this primer is that it blurs out my pores. So, yun yung nakakatuwa kasi first time ko gumamit ng Korean primer and medyo nahesitate akong gamitin. Pero it does covered up my pores and na-blur niya talaga yung pores ko. So, packaging-wise, it's so handy. Lightweight siya, hindi siya ganun kabigat. Pwede mo siyang dalhin if you're on vacation. Also, again, nakakatuwa dito kasi pump siya. So, hindi siya messing gamitin. Next is this micro setting fit cushion. Again, shade-wise, they only have 2 or 3 shades. I'm not sure, pero sa Freyja kasi, they have 2 shades. For me, sa Korean cushion, I think they should expand more, especially sa mga tan skin like me, sa mga morena. It claims to be semi-matte finish, and yes, totoo na semi-matte siya. Natuwa ako dito sa cushion nito kasi nung naglagay ako ng cream paint, nagstay lang siya kung saan ko nilagay yung cushion. Hindi siya sumama dun sa cream paint as I blended. So, I was fascinated about how it covered up my pimple marks, especially here. I have unhealed pimple here na hanggang ngayon ayaw pa rin gumaling. So, 2 layers na cover up niya, hindi na siya namumula-mula. Also, sa under eye ko, nag-brighten up siya. And sa pimple mark ko dito, kahit papano na cover up niya. Hindi ko kasi siya ina-expect as a full coverage cushion since ito may pagka-sheer finish siya. So, this costs 1,600 pesos. So, if you're morena and you want to attempt this cushion, you can as long as you have a pressed powder that is same shade as your body and your face para mag-tone down yung brightness mo. So, as of now, wala pa ako nakikitang part na nakikik. So, last is this cream paint Lightfit. Okay, so naglagay ako sa eye. So, ngayon nakikita ko medyo may pagka-oily lang siya dito. Kasi hindi ako naglagay ng primer or base kasi gusto ko makita as it is. So, yan. Pero hindi naman siya ganun kasagwan tingnan. Also, I put under my eye. So far, okay siya. Tapos, blendable siya. It's not sticky, greasy at all. Hindi ko siya nagustuhan sa lips ko. I'm not sure kung dapat ba naglagay ako ng foundation or cushion dun sa lips ko para lumabas yung pigment. Pero as of now, nung nag-dry siya, medyo di maganda or appealing siyang tignan. So, this costs around 1,140 pesos. So, I'm not sure kung ganun talaga presyuhan sa mga Korean cosmetics, especially with lip product. So, for me, okay na siya. Pero, medyo pricey lang siya. So, out of these 3, my favorite would be this UV Fixer. Okay siya compared dun sa dalawa. Medyo nag-aalanganin pa ako dun sa dalawang product. Ito talaga yung nag-work well sa akin on my first try. And this is the end of this video. Comment down below what products you like or you want to try from Moonshot products. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And click the notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Annyeong!